Hello everyone, Swami Original Dory, and today we have a review on Samsung Galaxy 20 S Pen and Samsung Note Pen precision meets PC power with S Pen and Samsung Note. Intelligent battery and super fast charge. All-day intelligent battery learns how to optimize battery life, while super fast charging boosts your battery in minutes. Display and gaming, breathtaking screen refresh rate, adaptive dynamic AMOLED 2X display, Galaxy 5G support and advanced processor. Allows for a smooth gaming experience. Bluetooth 5.0 ADD apt. Hyper-fast processor. Samsung's fastest Note processor transforms your gaming and binging with less interruption. Point 2 Share information directly with other compatible Samsung devices. Expandable memory. Store all your photos and videos with up to 1 TB of expandable memory with microSD card sold separately. Power of 5G. Get next level power for everything you love to do with Samsung Galaxy 5G. Share more, game harder, experience more. Battery power consumption depends on usage patterns and results may vary. The price $899 of this product is everything. If you want to know about similar models, watch this video, and also subscribe to the channel to learn about new products. Bye bye.